All right. So when you're doing it, he threw you a left, didn't he? Isn't that what you just did? Okay. So you keep doing this. Yeah. Right. Right now, you're supposed to be practicing here. Don't walk into the tiger's mouth if you can help it. Okay. And since this is light and friendly, that's the step. So it's just like I'm going to use the camera here. If I cut and the oncoming force is coming toward my center line, I'm going to step slightly to the side and then push, palm strike, thrust, whatever you want to call it, right there. Okay. So as it's coming towards me here, and what you're doing, right, and running right down the middle, right? You're going to be, if you're real lucky, you might not catch anything, but for right now, you don't have to. Just practice getting over here to the side and then let the hand roll just like you do in the form. Knee up if you want to, and out. So that part is just like you do in the form. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Good. Good. Now float the hand. Your left hand. Your left hand. There you go. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. So, and clearing the hand is, yeah. And so I think Ryan, as wrestlers, we do this all the time. You just practice grappling. And Sifu Chin was great at it. I mean, he'd touch you, and as soon as you knew it, your hand was up. But it was also part of what you would oftentimes, especially when you see, like in your bakwa, and you see these lifts, okay? But you have to get used to boom, 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 boom. And that turning, now, all that is just a half of a dragon stirs the sea. If I slowed it down, right, and I went, bam, I could turn it into a dragon stir the sea. That would be a full dragon turns the sea. Yeah.
Drags.
Yeah.
You went through and you just turned that.
Yeah. How you doing there, Mr. Speed?
I'm doing well, Sifu. How are you?
I'm going to be sending Kim Tran to your grappling class.
Okay. Just for your information, Sifu. That second set of finger posting, that's the most difficult set of posting I've ever done.
I can appreciate that. It is tough. That's for sure. Now, Vicky will not be with us this evening, and Bruce will not be with us this evening. Vicky will be back. She was taking care of some stuff at home, and her physical therapy has started, so she's doing good. And then Bruce is on his anniversary. I'm not quite sure where everybody else is. Kathy we got several people out for a variety of reasons that we are aware of. So, yeah. Right. And so we were working tonight mostly on some Tai Chi application. And I think the main lesson with that was, putting some texture to your work so that when you're working on it doesn't matter what it is, but you at least investigate it through the questions, maybe through energy in your mind going, what could I be doing? Pretending, and then getting a classmate and saying, hey, let me see if I can't figure out what I might be doing here. And some of those actions the more you do it, the more options come apparent to you, whether you're taking something and you're, cutting, palming, and then when you see the hand come down, it could be coming down like we were doing here to the inside, change it into a lock, right? It can change over the top into the head. Okay. and work it into, I can tell you exactly what would happen to me. It would end up, it would be going here, and that would go right into a guillotine, into a, basically a guillotine-like motion, right? Because I'm comfortable there. I'm willing that I think I can get what I want before he can get what he wants. When I get there, at least it's not checkmate, but the queen's right on his ass for strong check. Because unlike chess, I'm not going to give him a move if I can help it, right? That's where my dad was really good at teaching. Like he would say, don't move. Sifu Chin was the same thing. The hardest I ever got hit by him was the time he told me not to move, and I moved. And I was with a single whip, send my ass flying off of the screen. Whew. All right, so this evening, let's do a little posting, and we're gonna do a little blend of work. I was talking to Ryan earlier. One of the things I want to do here with the mental meals is, most of the folks need more attention to their posting and their energetic parts of their work, the internal pieces, not the external pieces. Learning form is the external piece, and there's a lot of comfort in learning all that, but there's no internal sensations. The internalization of feeling the difference between stroking and rolling and chopping and hacking is two different sensations. Bob likes to grapple every time he gets around you. Instant interpretation is a grappler. Kim, on the other side, that's his antithesis. Everything's a nail. Where's my hammer? Where's my hammer? And it's good to get both. Okay.